Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to find in page or search the text or phrase in page on your Chrome app on Android phone. So let's say this is the page that I want to search for, and if I go to the three dot options and select find in page, it will display this search bar at the top with the toggle, the arrow keys to navigate within. So let's suppose I search for Chrome in this particular page, so it will display me the list of all the Chrome term in the particular page. Like there are currently 30 matching phrases, and I have this arrow key, bottom arrow key and the top arrow key, which will help me navigate through this results. So in this way I can search for any term or phrase. Best part is that the matching phrases are highlighted in orange or yellow, and which will help us to find the content or the term that we are looking on the page. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.